This is going to be a video review of the Echo Dot stand holder. This is made for the 3rd generation, which I have over here, and this is meant for a desk. Very stylish, looks really nice, black plastic, a little bit of matted, kind of glossed, kind of matted a little bit. And the nice thing about this is that it allows the front of the Echo Dot to face towards you. Now the Echo Dot has 4 microphones on it, and it's also got the controls on the front. So it's nice to be able to have a holder that allows the microphones to face towards you or towards the room where you are normally going to be in. So what I want to do is I want to test this out. I'm just going to not even read the instructions. I'm just going to take this thing. This is the Echo Dot. I'm going to place it in the back. And I guess that's it. Wow, this looks really cute. Look at that. It's just perfect. It's a perfect fit. It's a beautiful fit. And the microphones face towards you. And very easy to remove if you need to. I like this. I like this because I've got control of all the buttons from the front. So, and then all you do is you take your power cord, plug it in, wait for this to boot up. The company that sells this is Trenela, T-R-E-N-E-L-A. I'm going to put a link in the bottom description so that you can click on it and order this directly. That will also help out my channel, but you can also get it without a problem. It comes in black and it comes in white. I'm looking online at the white. The white looks really neat. The black looks beautiful. I like black. Most of the things I have here are black. But the white looks really nice. So it's just a very simple, compact stand holding the Echo Dot in position. And you can see over here, there's no interference, so you'd be able to have the power cord over here on the side or on the left side. And you could even do it from the bottom. So if you want your buttons to be plus and minus on the front, like this. Very easy to position. Okay, oops, I just hit the mute button. I think it's booted up. Let's check it out. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:23 p.m.
I love this. I absolutely love it. You can always tell when I review a product and I'm happy with it. I smile as I'm doing the review. This is really cool. Echo Dot 3rd generation stand holder, home voice assistant desk stand. It's an accessory for the smart speaker, the Echo Dot. Very reasonably priced. It's so simple to set up. There are others on the market where you've got to coil the cord around it. And this, you don't have to do anything. You just plug it in, put it on your desk, face it towards where you want. All your microphones are going to be pointing towards you. It's going to be easier for the Echo Dot to hear you. You've got full access to the buttons on the front without a hassle. And it's sturdy. It's really sturdy and it looks good. So that's going to be my review of the Echo Dot stand holder by Trenela. Again, I'm going to put a link in the bottom so you can click on that and order it.